Now, the overall recycling rate of steel packaging has continued to rise throughout the last decades, and this is very encouraging. But there is no reason for any steel packaging to end up as waste. And this is why APEAL launched its Vision 2025 Zero Steel Packaging to Landfill earlier this year. Our vision will be supported by action in four key areas, which we have identified as critical to prevent steel packaging being diverted from recycling and wasted. These include a focus on optimized, separate waste collection, but also establishing scrap quality standards, a better collection and sorting of steel closures, which are often wasted nowadays, and a better design for recyclability.
Separate collection is the best way of guaranteeing high-quality input into recycling operations. Establishing a scrap quality standard is equally important to ensure quality control starts when the material is at the sorting facility. Ultimately, this can only be achieved by establishing a quality standard for packaging steel scrap. And although the overall recycling rates of steel packaging are rising, the collection and sorting of steel closures in Europe is estimated to be below average. Improving the recycling rates of steel closures will therefore make a significant contribution as we work with our partners and stakeholders towards zero steel packaging to landfill. On the one hand, clear and harmonized sorting instructions and awareness-raising campaigns will mobilize people to also sort the closures, ensuring that they end up in the right waste fraction to be recycled. On the other hand, sorting facilities need to be equipped in a way the small steel packaging items, such as the closures, can be recovered using magnets, ensuring they can be sent to recycle. Designing for recyclability is now more important than ever, and it will underpin the successful implementation of all these measures, helping to ensure that every product placed on the market can be recycled as efficiently as possible.
Tomorrow, the APEAL president, Mr. William Gaspar, will announce the new overall recycling rate. But later this year, we will also reveal a new recycling rate objective in line with the new EU calculation methodology. Today, for several packaging materials, the declared recycled tonnages are probably overestimated. APEAL, as an association, has therefore repeatedly called for the recycling calculations and the methodology to be harmonized across the EU, creating a real level playing field not only between packaging materials, but also between countries reporting on their recycling performance. The new methodology, which will be applicable for data from 2020, moves the calculation point for all member states and all packaging materials to the entrance of the recycling operation. This means that no impurities can be included and only materials that are effectively recycled can be included in the measurement process.